Who is the Psychic Surgeon? By Lance Carlisle Carter. The psychic surgeon tradition is best known through its representation in the Philippines, although there are other practitioners in the world that use similar or possibly the same technology. Identifying the actual practitioner of this psychic surgery is especially difficult if they are concealing themselves from the public. Yet, if in these days the practitioners are often using their abilities in commercial practice and in an unrecognized manner, the unrecognized by science or medicine as such as yet. The necessity of identifying the psychic surgeon is one that is necessary for determining the authenticity of the practitioner and the efficacy, or the actual outcome of their efforts, their healing efforts, that is. And these healing efforts can extend to many realms, but we'll start with the physical. The identification of physical healing through the method of psychic surgery might be characterized by the actual pictures, photographs, videotape, and other visual evidence, and there may be a growing body of actual medical evidence of why this phenomena occurs or can occur, and then the entire understanding of this science or this art or this practice becomes more important. If it is indeed real, it indeed offers an alternative to other types of painful medical procedures, chemical medicines that have greater side effects. By determining the actual effectiveness of these psychic surgery procedures will allow other practitioners to duplicate the methodology, procedure, and the actual healing can be spread to other trained professionals that start as novices and can become proficient depending on their aptitude, their pre-aptitude, meaning their predisposition to this type of ability through culture, through relationship, and through bloodline. And it is through bloodline that the particular Ilewaniku, I believe, lineage has their ability to use psychic surgery, as it is termed, to manifest healing. Now, these skills are best explained by mechanisms that are not explainable by our science as we know, yet it is possible to explain these, and that's what I will attempt to do. The actual manifestation of the psychic healer's abilities in healing, for instance, another person can be measured by the relief that that person gets or receives in the treatment. So being a patient of a psychic surgeon involves particular types of procedures that are often unique to the practitioner because of the lack of centralized facilities and procedural methodologies that are necessary for establishing recognized medical practices. The procedures, therefore, have to be documented, and the documentation of these procedures must occur in a logical manner, in a manner that is understandable to the layman and to the scientist as well. Choosing a middle path in explanation, one would necessarily require a great deal of graphical information in order to make it possible for anybody interested to understand what is going on. In preparation of these graphics, it is necessary to remember that we can only represent what is going on in either our two-dimensional or three-dimensional format, and adding time there's possibly the fourth dimension. Yet these energies that we will speak of are and define in our procedural manipulation of them in order to procure healing. Procuring the psychic healing involves using energy, and that means using one's ability to manipulate and manifest energy in means that are intentional and based on the decision of the practitioner and the will of the person needing the treatment or their family in those desires if they're injured or such, where the practitioner needs to perform their surgeries or other operations